I still have 3, 2. Natukan ko. I should just eat. Hello everyone, so today I decided to finally do a mukbang video. I've been wanting to do it since last year, but I have my camera right now and I have my McDonald's. So yeah, what I ordered, wait, I have iced mocha. I'm not gonna drink all of this because I'm pregnant at the moment and it has caffeine. So yeah, I also have this fish fillet burger with, of course, my fries. And then also have 20 pieces of chicken nuggets. This one, I have ranch here. I have ranch, and I also have the honey mustard. Since I have my French fries, I also need the ketchup. I'll start eating. My husband is here, but I'm not gonna show him in this video. I have been watching mukbang last night until like 4 a.m. and it made me super hungry. I don't know, it was like a punishment that I did for myself. But if mukbang videos are not for you, then you're free to exit. I love watching mukbang videos. I love food, especially now that I'm pregnant. So yeah, here is my burger. I haven't tried the fish fillet sandwich before because I always get the cheeseburger. I don't know. It's okay. I think it needs ketchup. It's a little bit gloomy today. I don't know why. McDonald's fries is like super yummy. It's the best. What do you think is the best fries, babe?
McDonald's.
Right? Let's try the chicken nuggets. And then I put my honey mustard in here. I'll show you. I tried a mukbang before. I ordered this huge pizza. I recorded everything, but I wasn't able to upload it because I wasn't able to eat the whole thing. There you go. I don't like it.
Ranch is always the best.
I'm gonna go with ranch. Yep. I'm gonna go back to my burger. I'm planning on editing this tonight and then uploading it. For this month, I actually have a lot of videos planned to upload on my channel. I don't know why, I just have a lot of energy on my second trimester. It's not that I had a hard time with this pregnancy or whatever. I just have like, the worst thing ever is the nausea. But other than that, that's it. I am truly enjoying my pregnancy. Tomorrow I'll be 19 weeks. And my midwife advised me to eat like every 2 hours. So the idea of doing a mukbang is not really good, and what I'm having is obviously not healthy. But sometimes I just have to like bend the rules and eat good food. I don't know, fast food is just so good. Sometimes I can just say no to them. But I see to it that I only eat fast food like once a month, right, babe?
Yeah.
My weakness is this one, the iced mocha. I'm not supposed to have it because I'm pregnant and this has caffeine, as I've said a while ago, but it is really good, especially paired with fries. That's just my thing. Saltiness and then the sweet mocha. My camera just keeps on dying on me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the noise. We're actually here at the base. And also I'm actually testing out, not just wearing, but testing out a new lipstick. Is it new? I'm not sure. But fairly new lipsticks from Maybelline, and it's called Superstay Matte Ink in Seductress. It's what I'm wearing right now. In real life, it is not too light for me, and it's also not too dark. It's so hard to find that perfect nude lipstick for my complexion, so I think this one is my favorite, like new favorite for 2018. And let's see if it smudges or stays after this mukbang. Almost done. By the way, I'd like to dip my fries in ketchup and chicken nuggets to ranch. One of my talents, by the way, is eating inside the car without making a mess. My husband is the exact opposite of me. Every time he eats, he makes a mess. I still have 2. Natukan ko. I should just eat. I'm almost done. Still have one piece of chicken nuggets left. I don't know if I can finish it. I just have one left. I'm super full. But I'm really bothered with this one piece of chicken nuggets. Oh. Okay. I'll eat it for you. Here you go. Last bite. That's it. I'm done. This. I hate wasting food. Just a little bit of this. And then my water. I have like on this container I have a warm water. I love warm water. I don't know why. I started doing this like few years ago, and I just love having warm water with me every time, like 24/7. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this I'm so full mukbang video. I am hoping that I can do it again. Let me just check my check my lips. Do I still have my lipstick on? My husband says yes, and I can see that I still have it on. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this mukbang video. I hope to see you all again on my next one. Bye.